The issue board is used to plan, organize, and visualize a workflow for a feature or product release. It can be used as a Kanban or a Scrum board. Here's how they can be used in release and iteration planning. Starting with the refinement track. The board has been scoped to have no milestone, so it only shows issues that haven't already been scheduled into an upcoming release. Triaging new issues is quick and simple. If the new issue gets opened, it shows up in this triage list, based on templates that have been set. GitLab lets you shift issues around on the board to plan releases efficiently. If the issue is a mere bug, you know you can move on with design. Moving this AP bug all the way into refinement notifies the engineers that they can jump in. Every week, engineers will look at the refinement lists and note the signal that they need to start estimating and breaking issues down into implementation tasks. As soon as the bug gets weighted, you can add a weight directly within the board in the sidebar. Then, move that issue into Ready, which will flow into the release planning board. You can see the status of the API bug thanks to the Ready label. This issue is still in triage. It's not ready, so it won't be scheduled out yet. With issue boards, you can create lists based on milestones. There are 4 types of lists you can create: label, assignee, milestone, and iteration. Boards do more than just manage workflows and issues. You can use this powerful tool to manage your entire backlog and do release and iteration planning. Let's say you want to group by epic. All your issues are grouped by the feature they belong to, allowing you to sequence them into upcoming releases. It's estimated that the team can complete 50 weight in the given 8-week period. Now that high-level release planning has been done, tracking the progress of these high-level issues is needed. This is where a roadmap comes into play. A roadmap is a high-level executive view. It shows you all upcoming issues and epics scheduled out over the upcoming releases. Once an issue has a time box, milestone, or due date associated with it, it gets automatically inferred into your schedule. Similar to Epic Hierarchy and Epic Detail View, you can unfurl your schedule to track progress reporting. As the team works through and delivers different epics and issues, GitLab will show you the burn-down progress for each of them. Here you can see the epic's completed weight versus assigned weight. As you can see here, Add Some reporting for the supply chain has 0 weight. This is because it hasn't been scheduled out or broken down yet. Using the roadmap view is a great way to understand which epics have been refined and which haven't. Now you can pay special attention where it's needed. Now you can return to the boards. Let's say a particular issue is known that won't get done until release 3. Going back to our roadmap, the epic duration has been adjusted to account for where the issues have been scheduled within it. Now you can dynamically manage your roadmap without manually setting start dates and end dates. You can also filter your roadmap view by label, milestone, epic, and author. This is a great way to drill down on specific issues or epics and align your work across teams.